Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this right here. Let me just show you around the box, just in case you're looking for something specific about this. Doesn't tell you on the website. I know depending where you're buying it from, it sometimes does not tell you everything about it. So let's just start off. Oh yeah, by the way, yes, these are washable, but you cannot submerge this into water, just in case. And finally, here we go, what everybody has been looking for. So this is how it looks like. It's very light. I've had one of these before. They usually last. Every time I buy a shaver, I usually buy Philips brand just because they last so long. So I've had quite a good experience with these guys. And you guys will notice this up here comes out. Put it down. This here can open up. So you guys can wash this. Again, you cannot dip this into water, but you can definitely wash this without any problem. Other than that, it's a pretty basic design. This does work with battery, so right now it should work. As you guys can hear, turn it off, and yes, while it's charging, you can also make it work. So if you run out of battery, you need to hook it up. Yes, you can just hook it up like so. Then you can go on and use it hooked up as well. So that's a good thing about this. It does come with this, so you probably have that on while you're not using it, and then take it off whenever you do want to use it. You do get some manuals with it. And let's not forget about this card for an extra year of warranty, which can be useful. So here's a close-up so you guys can appreciate this a little bit more. And you will notice that all this moves like all the regular ones would move. Haven't seen one that doesn't do this. Unless they're the really cheap ones, then they don't have all that movement, which you need. The grip is okay. You have the power button. And on the back, there isn't that much info to show you because there's not much there. I already showed you guys that this flips up so you guys can trim your beard. But as far as this goes, we're almost done. I'm just going to show you the charger. A nice quick close-up just in case you're watching this just because of that. So this is the charger you get with it. Let me just do a close-up so you guys can see any numbers. Actually, it's almost impossible to see this. It's really, really small, the information that it tells you here. But you can kind of see it. There are also a few numbers here that you guys can appreciate. So there's the caution that you guys get. It's just some info there, but not much. And then on this side, you're just gonna see Philips, the brand itself. Now let me show you how the other end looks like. So this end is the one that's gonna go towards your shaver. Pretty basic. It's not anything like a USB or USB-C. These are more standard with shavers. Usually they have connections like this. And that would be it for this unboxing. I just showed you guys everything that's inside the box from my experience. This is the second one I'm buying. This one I bought to keep in my RV, and I'm actually making this video in my RV. But I do have a main one in the house, and it still works, still good. So I'll probably do a review on it a few years later. But so far I had the other one for a year, and it's been fine as well. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.